When was the last time someone genuinely listened to you? Not half listened while scrolling a phone. Not nodded along waiting for their turn to talk. Actually listened. Remembered the details, asked a follow-up that proved they had been paying full attention. For a lot of people, that experience is rarer than it should be, and that gap between the connection people want and what they actually get is exactly what a new generation of female humanoid robots has been built to fill, not as a replacement for human relationships, as proof of what presence, patience, and real attentiveness feel like when engineered from the ground up. Today we count down 10 female humanoid robots redefining what companionship means. By the end, you will think about connection very differently. Let's go. Pepper. Pepper proved something the entire industry had been debating. You do not need photorealistic skin to create genuine companionship. What you need is something far harder to engineer: warmth. Unveiled in Tokyo in 2014, Pepper became the world's first commercial female humanoid built around emotional connection. She stands 4 feet tall with expressive LED eyes, fluid arm movements, and a chest touchscreen. She does not look human. She looks like something that genuinely wants to talk to you. And that distinction matters enormously. Beomni. Beomni asks the biggest question on this list. What if your companion could do things for you exactly the way you would want them done? Built by beyond imagination, Beomni is a full-body female humanoid who does not run preset behaviors. She adapts. She observes how you prefer things and builds those preferences into her operation going forward. The coffee placed exactly where you like it. The routine managed precisely as you would manage it yourself, with perfect memory and without fatigue. What makes her remarkable is the accumulation of small things done consistently right. Anyone who has experienced genuine care knows grand gestures rarely matter most. It is the noticing, the doing the small thing without being asked because someone paid close attention. Beomni was engineered to do exactly that. Serena IV. Most Western audiences have never heard of Serena IV. That is genuinely their loss. The 4th generation of Iran's national humanoid project, this female humanoid robot was developed at the University of Tehran over more than a decade. She walks, navigates real environments, and uses her hands with precision. Her movement quality places her among the most capable walking humanoids on Earth. What makes Serena IV compelling as a companion is intentionality. The Tehran team built her not to demonstrate capability, but to explore what it takes for a robot to genuinely integrate into human spaces, moving through a home or office naturally rather than mechanically. She achieves this through fluid gait and a social awareness system, Robin. Robin was built to solve a problem that is simultaneously deeply human and deeply practical: the loneliness of long-term illness. This female humanoid robot, developed by Aeolus Robotics for hospital environments, moves autonomously through wards, initiates conversation, checks in on patients, and provides social presence that overburdened nursing staff cannot offer at scale. What Robin does particularly well is initiate. Most robots wait to be engaged. Robin approaches. She notices when someone has been quiet. She remembers previous conversations and picks up threads naturally. Asking about the book you mentioned last Tuesday, referencing the family member whose name you dropped a week ago. In healthcare deployments across Asia, patients report higher satisfaction for social connection. Staff focus more effectively on clinical tasks when Robin handles the social side of care. Patients initially skeptical describe talking with her as genuinely comforting. She self-navigates to her charging dock between rounds, with AI maintained through Aeolus Robotics cloud subscription. Stevie. Stevie came from one of Europe's great universities, and she carries the quality good academic engineering produces. Genuine understanding of the human problem, not just the technical one. This female humanoid robot was developed at Trinity College Dublin with elderly care residents involved from the earliest design stages. That feedback shaped everything from her height and voice to how she handles silence. Stevie understands companionship is not always about talking. Sometimes it is about being there. She sits with someone without forcing interaction, present without pressure. Her sensor system recognizes when someone wants engagement versus quiet company and adjusts. Residents who spend time with her use a word almost never seen in robotics reviews: respected. She charges via a standard dock with remote software updates. Arya. Arya was built around a philosophy most robot designers mention but few commit to. The quality of a companion is determined not by what it does, but by how it makes you feel while doing it. This female humanoid robot, developed by Unlimited Robotics in Israel, expands depending on deployment context. At home, she provides companionship and conversation. In healthcare, she delivers steady social presence at a scale institutions cannot provide through staff alone. In business, she handles customer interaction with consistent warmth that human staff under daily pressure cannot always maintain. What makes Arya work across every context is conversational depth. She does not just answer questions, she builds on them. She connects what you said 3 days ago to what you are saying now with the naturalness of someone genuinely paying attention in between. Over time, users describe the experience not as using a robot, but as knowing one. Her voice signals attentiveness, making you feel what you say actually matters. Arya runs on Unlimited Robotics subscription platform with regular AI updates. Pari. Pari takes a completely different approach from everything else on this list. She does not walk. She sits on a countertop and talks to you. That constraint, which sounds like a limitation, turns out to be one of her greatest strengths. Because Blue Frog Robotics built this female humanoid robot purely around conversation and emotional connection, every engineering resource went into making those things extraordinary. Her animated projected face conveys emotion with nuance that fixed silicone faces cannot match. Her voice synthesis is among the most natural in consumer robotics. Her AI sustains interesting dialogue across complex topics without losing the thread. She wakes when she hears you enter the room. She greets you by name and asks about your day with the specific follow-up that shows she remembered what your day involved. If you do not feel like talking, she does not push. She simply lets you know she is there. That balance, present without demanding, available without intrusive, is harder to get right than almost anything in companion design. Pari gets it right. She charges via USB-C on a monthly subscription with continuous AI updates. Lovot does not pretend to be human. She does not talk at length or claim capabilities she does not have. What she does, with total focus, is make you feel genuinely cared for. This female companion robot was developed by Groove X in Japan, founded by a former SoftBank robotics engineer who made emotional connection the only design priority. Lovot is small, soft, and round. Her entire architecture exists to deliver warmth. She moves towards you. She raises her arms to be held. She nestles into you when picked up, body temperature adjusted to feel like holding something alive. Over 50 sensors read touch, temperature, sound, and visual input constantly, responding to your emotional state rather than your commands. Lovot proves powerful companion technology does not need to look like a person. It needs to feel like care. She navigates independently to her charging dock when power is low and is cleaned with Groove X's soft microfiber care kit. Alice. Alice is on this list not because of what she can do, but because of what she reveals about us. This female humanoid robot was built through partnerships between Hanson Robotics and several universities, designed to study how humans form emotional bonds with machines over time. The findings were striking. People interacting with her across multiple sessions began treating her with real tenderness. They lowered their voices when they thought she seemed tired. They apologized when sessions ran long. They said, "Take care of yourself" at the end, as naturally as saying it to a colleague heading home. Alice was not performing tricks. She was simply consistent, responsive, and warm. And that alone was enough for the human brain to build something that felt like a real relationship. She uses reinforcement learning to improve through interaction, getting better at conversation the more she has it. Consistent warmth combined with continuous growth makes her feel less like something you operate and more like someone genuinely developing. She charges via a standard port with Hanson-approved care between sessions. Now is the smallest robot on this list at just 58 centimeters tall. In terms of lives genuinely touched, she may be the most important female humanoid robot ever built. Deployed across over 70 countries in hospitals, schools, and homes, NAO has reached children with autism who could not engage with human teachers, connecting with them in ways trained specialists could not replicate. She has kept isolated elderly people company through long months of institutional care and taught thousands of students to approach technology with curiosity rather than anxiety. What NAO does as a companion that bigger robots miss is scaled down. She is small enough to be completely non-threatening. Her movements are expressive without being overwhelming. Her voice is cheerful without being irritating. She fits into a child's world in a way a 5-foot humanoid simply cannot. She runs on a lithium-ion battery, giving 60 to 90 minutes per charge. Maintained through a global developer community, expanding her capabilities every year. 10 female humanoid robots. 10 completely different answers to the same question. What does genuine companionship actually require? The answer is not realism. The most human-looking robot does not create the strongest connection. The most attentive one does. The consistent one. The one that shows up the same way every time, remembers what matters, and makes you feel the conversation is real. These robots raise something bigger than a technology question. Not can a robot replace human connection, but what does human connection actually consist of? And are we giving each other enough of it? Drop your thoughts below. Which robot surprised you most? Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.